welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Gia Carter and today we are in beautiful Georgia. And right now we are making some delicious peach cobbler. Now if you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button to join the family. Because we are the best family in the whole entire world. And if you're wondering how I make peach cobbler vegan, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up.
With this recipe, I'm going to start with 7 Georgia peaches and I'm going to cut up into a dice. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup for that nice sweetness. Next, I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of arrowroot powder to give the crumble a nice thickness. 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon and give it a big ol' stir. For the delicious crumble, I'm going to start with almond milk and lemon juice. I'm going to set it aside to let it curdle for about 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to add all-purpose flour, baking powder, some cinnamon, coconut sugar, baking soda, maple syrup, and some coconut oil. Salt and combine my mixture all together. Place this delicious mixture on my peaches. Pop in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes.
So my peach cobbler just came out the oven and it smells delicious, so I cannot wait to dive in. Guys, this cobbler is one of the best cobblers I ever had. The crunch of the crisp adds so many textures, it's amazing. This fresh Georgia peaches takes this cobbler to the next level. I can taste the cinnamon and all the spices. You guys have to try this recipe and let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed this episode, you know you gotta give it a big thumbs up. And also guys, if you're not already part of the family, make sure to hit that big red subscribe button down there. Did you do it? Okay, make sure you guys hit it right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and also don't forget to turn on that post notification because next week I'm going to take you guys through my day and show you guys how to eat vegan at a restaurant. Love you guys, and I'll catch you next episode.